Hey butterflies, I'm gonna do an unboxing. This is a slime and the brand is Gooey Gooey, and you can go buy yourself some Gooey Gooey slime if you want. This is not sponsored. So you can get a glossy slime, a clear slime, a butter slime, or a cloud slime. So my best friend got me actually one for my birthday not that long ago, and it's so good. I got the cloud slime and it smells so good, and it's like a really good texture, low-key. Like, it's really squishy and it doesn't leave like dandruff on your hands or whatever, you know? Like, it's really good. This is the cloud slime, if I didn't already say that. Enough of this one. Now we're gonna actually unbox this one. I don't know how, but they sell these at Target. So that's where I got this one. Oh snap. Sorry guys, I'm reading. Whoa. Okay. It says start here with a QR code. That was a surprise. So they all come in different steps. I still have no idea what slime I got. They're inside these bags. This is step number 1. The second step is a little add-in I got for this slime. I got a little foam cube thingies. Step number 3 are these little charms. Well, I shouldn't say little, they're kind of big. Step number 4 is this big charm. Mine is an owl. Step number 5, this glitter. So let's see what slime I got. Ooh, I got the clear one. Yes. Oh my god, it smells like blue raspberry. It smells so good. Can't get it all out. Still some. Okay. Wait. This is so good. Guys, I'm not even joking. It's like barely sticky. Smells delicious. And the stretch, like, oh my gosh, what? Let's open this other one. It's purple! Yes! Sorry guys, I just love purple, so, and blue, so I get to mix them together. Same texture, pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna do step number 2, which are these little foam. They just went everywhere. They're like jelly cubes, I think. Not completely sure, but they made this slime so much better. Now I'm gonna do step number 3, which are these charms. They just fell out. Well, one of them. This is step number 4, this cute owl. Now I'm adding the glitter.